Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable download option in YouTube video. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoiding missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, you first need to head over to your YouTube Studio app on your phone and then click on content and now find the video where you'd like to disable downloads. So for this example, I'm going to click on this first video here. And then I'm going to click on edit video. And then down the bottom here, it should say more options. Click into that. And now scroll all the way down the bottom again. And just simply uncheck allowed embedding. Then head back. And then click on save on that video. And now what that does, that disables downloads on that one YouTube video. So if you want to do multiple videos, you got to click on multiple videos and do the same process. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.